You want food? You want food? So I just woke up. I was making coffee. Let's talk more later. The morning session is done, sweaty as fuck, ready to go for work. We have a long day in front of us. Tonight we're gonna go to a sauna, which is gonna be amazing. Fucking freezing. Cats literally everywhere, and this little kitten came out of nowhere. I don't know how, from where, whatever she did, but she's so cuddly. She just wants attention all the time. Wants so much attention. Say, what do you want? You're worse than a girl. Done 2 or 3 hours of working sesh. Time to get some lunch. In Thailand, you don't need t-shirt to go for lunch or dinner or whatever. Had some pad kapao, it was absolutely amazing, way too spicy. Time to get back to work. To my Kiln Publishing, because believe it or not, I got my account suspended actually 3 times for the past 2 months. Twice was temporary suspension, and one time was a few days ago, and they actually terminated my account. Don't ask me why, it's a long story, but believe it or not, I got it back in the next day. Luckily, because I remember something what I can do to use their own words against them, and actually they realized they did a mistake and they're gonna be my Kindle account back, so I can get back to work. I don't have to stress about anymore. Let's get back to work. Before I get to work, I just want to show you from the rooftop here, from this villa. It's a beautiful island in Koh Samui. You can see there's another villas up there, up the hill, all over the place. It's absolutely stunning. Now it's actually very nice weather. When I was living in November, it was very humid, cloudy and raining, and it wasn't very nice, but now it's a perfect temperature to come to Koh Samui. So if you're planning to go to Thailand, best time to go in January and February, I believe. It's gonna be amazing. What do you say? Nothing? Goodbye. Finished work for the whole day. I recovered my account KDP, and it's time to go to sauna and a steam and a jacuzzi, because what else you wanna do on an island? That's all you can do on an island. Let's go. What's up, boy? Oh. This is what you do, kids. You have a back pain, you have a legs pain. Actually, don't try this at home. It's still quite cold. When I get to focus, come closer. That's right. And stay in here until you pass out, until no one can recover you. That's the proper technique. See. Let's time it. Comment below how many minutes you think I can do. If it's over a minute, comment the last part. If it's over 2 minutes, over a fire emoji. Finished the sauna, feeling amazing. Did like 3 rounds of sauna and steam, 15 minutes each. 90 degrees. Now let's get some dinner. Is this beef? I wanted to buy a flip-flop, these ones, but they don't have a European size, which is 47. I can't even buy shoes anywhere. So cheap, 200 baht, 200 baht, 160 baht, maximum size 43. This, when I put this on my foot, look. Like, what the hell, bro? We just arrived home. We're gonna have some fruits. Mango, some pineapples, pomelo, grapes, of course. Can't miss that. Just wanted to go to sleep, and this kid just jumped on my back. Who are you?